Okay, so I'm having a phenomenal striper day. So this is striper fishing at its best. I just put on some fresh bait, put on a fresh anchovy using light tackle. I'm going to cast it in, wait till it hits the ground. Just hit the ground, tighten the rod, let's see what happens. See how long this takes. Phenomenal striper day. Phenomenal striper day. One of my best. One of my best. Stripers are hungry today. Very, very hungry. And there's a lot of them. There we go. I'm getting bit right now. There we go. We'll wait till we get a good pull and then we'll go ahead and give it to him. Phenomenal. Phenomenal striper day. These are the wolves of the lake. They are hungry, and there's a lot of them, and they run in packs. You just got to get the right size, but they're hungry and they're aggressive. And we're waiting for a good pull. I could feel something nibbling. Waiting for a good pull. I can feel something nibbling on it. I feel little pecks on it. It is hot today. Real hot today. Over 100 for sure. There we go. Still biting. Waiting for that good pull. Then I don't know how many stripers are fighting for one little anchovy out there. Something's still nibbling, getting little pulls. It's probably a very small fish. But if it doesn't pull, I never pull back. I have to wait till there's a pull. It might be something really small. There's a lot of baby stripers, like real small ones. You know, but if it's a 16, 17 inch striper, he's gonna hit pretty good. So that's what we're hoping to get. Something's still nibbling it. It's probably a little one, probably a little baby one. Feel it chewing on it, but no pull yet. Could be a lot of small stripers still out there. Yeah, see, it's nibbled again. It's probably a little guy. There he goes. There he goes. Just little nibbles. Still little nibbles. There we go, there we go. Oh, there we go. We got him right there. Wow. Saw that? That was amazing. That was it. He was nibbling and nibbling and nibbling and nibbling. Finally, he took a good pull. There he goes. Okay. All right. We got him. Let's see how big this guy is. But something was nibbling and nibbling. Here he goes. I see him. Oh, okay. Come on. Okay. Come on. Come over here, guy. Man, this is fun. This doesn't happen too often. This is phenomenal for me. hitting a huge school like this is just a lot of fun. And I'm lucky that there was no wind today, because always a lot of problems with the wind out here. Here he comes. Nice one. Nice little guy. There you go. Oh, it's a nice one, yeah. Good fighter. Come here, guy. Yep. Got on lip too. Got on lip. Oh, ooh, nice one. Oh yeah. That's a beauty. A beauty. Beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Beautiful fish. Oh yeah, perfect. Got him right here on the side. There we go. Okay. This is a nice one. Look at that. Is that a beauty or what? Man, this is. Whew, I'm gonna remember this day for a while. Okay, let's measure him out. He looks nice. Let's take a look. He's very long. Nineteen incher. 19-inch striper. Look at that. So I got him right here on the side of the lip. He's very healthy, very strong, gave me a good fight. He's 19 inches. We're gonna go ahead and let him go. But you can see the excitement. You saw me do everything. No editing, no nothing. Casted, waited. You saw all the action, all the footage, and no editing at all. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful striper. Beautiful. Okay, we'll go ahead and let him go. He's very lively, very strong. We just caught him. He's only been out of the water, what, a couple of seconds? Beauty, beauty. And he's out of here, down to the deep water. That was amazing. I don't get too many days like that. I'm out here at Los Vaqueros. Woo! July 7th, 2019. Man, I am a little tired. I didn't sleep that much last night. And it's hot. It's hot. It's gotta be, I don't know, over 100. But, you know, I'll suffer. I brought water, so I got plenty of water. I'm not gonna dehydrate. And I'm gonna keep fishing, and I'm gonna have a good time, and catch and release, and quick set. And you saw that on an anchovy from beginning to end. That was amazing. I mean, I'm actually astonished myself. So, whew. Okay, so I'm gonna keep fishing, and I'll see what else again. I'm also fishing for catfish, but I found a striper school, and I'm gonna enjoy that striper school because we don't get it too often. Us as fishermen, that's what we're hoping to find. A nice school so we can have a good time. And I'm amazed, and this is a phenomenal day for me, and I'm gonna keep fishing and enjoy the day. It's a beautiful day, and man, what else can I say? This is the life of the fisherman. I'm having a fantastic day. You know, to keep fishing, see what else I get. But I cannot ask for more. I can't ask for more. I'm already very excited and very happy, and I'm gonna keep fishing and have a good time until 5 o'clock. All right, I'll see what else I get, and see what other footage we get. So I'll keep fishing. Maybe I'll bring a catfish, but stripers, woo, I can't ask for more. All right, woo.